Jim Smith, and I'm running for Regional Council in the upcoming municipal election. This is a municipal election, and the issues are mainly better streets and sidewalks, public safety, better transit, and lower property taxes. Some results have been 16 new police officers, and a great thanks to Municipal Council for supporting that. 14 and counting new playground units, 50 new streets and sidewalks, over $5 million for District 9, all new buses fully accessible. We also have $50,000 on improvements to the Cyril Smith Trails and 2 new bylaws, the M100 and the V100, so the minimum standards and the vacant building bylaw. So if you want to help our team and join us, come on, drop by the office at 25 Crystal Drive, or give us a call, 404-7404, and we'd really be pleased to have you come by. And we'll be doing another update very soon. So thanks for viewing, and thanks for